Hey guys, Kyle Keno here with Utility Service Agency. We're your Hastings rep in Virginia and the Carolinas. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about HV sticks. So HV sticks, commonly referred to as triangular sticks, are similar in function to a round Tel-O-Pole, but also have some unique characteristics that make them favorable to some customers. So the HV sticks have triangular cross sections with large tapered buttons to minimize friction as you extend or retract the Tel-O-Pole. The triangular cross section also allows for anti-twist in between the section and an auto lock-in of the button. If you push that button in and pull out the tip section, you can also get access to the inside of the stick for cleaning or quick replacement of a damaged part. Alright guys, I've reassembled my triangular stick here, and what we have is an HV-245. This is a triangular cross-section 45-foot stick that's just over 2.5 inches in diameter and 18 pounds. So it gives you the versatility of being able to reach up to obviously 45 feet for taller poles on your system, but also the versatility to, as we discussed before, to remove sections. So let's remove 5 sections here. We're going to pop this button. We're going to pull these sections out. We're going to put the rest of the stick to the side because we don't need it, which is going to make the rest of this stick significantly lighter for us to work with. Again, now we're back to a much lighter, again, anti-twist, auto lock-in on the button as we extend. Now we're up to full length of our section of our 45-foot stick. We can do our work. We can push the button and retract. If we need our 45-foot long Tel-O-Pole for the next job that we go to, again, we're back to full length of the section. Pop this back in, and we're good to go. We've got our 45-foot long Tel-O-Pole ready for the next job on the taller pole. So this one stick on your truck is going to give you the functionality to reach 45 feet, but also the versatility to be significantly lighter and shorter for, let's say, the majority of your other poles. So thanks again for joining me today, and if you have any questions on HV sticks or any other of the Hastings products, please reach out to your local USA sales rep, and we look forward to talking to you soon.